Good morning. It's snowing here in Colorado. I have one bird feeder up in the tree, and the rest of my suet logs and feeders are attached to the eavier so that the birds can come in out of the snow and eat. Now, my flower pots with all of the boughs excuse me, are a little covered in snow. But we can help that. It's gonna keep snowing. But I just wanted to see the bird baths. Now this one here is a little iced up on the outside, but the water's still flowing. And this one here, the water's still flowing on. This one here is my brand new one, and it is in great shape. And I want to show you why. This little heater, water heater, I got it off of Amazon. It's a relatively small reservoir, and it seems to do the job to keep it warm. Anyways, I'm real happy about that. Because one thing I got yesterday that as soon as I get a warm day, I am going to do is I'm going to make kind of a rock-shaped looking foam. You know, the spray foam? Insulation for the outside of this water reservoir for this winter so that it'll keep it even warmer. And this bird bath here is still flowing too. And the birds will be coming in real soon for lots of food. So I'm going to do them a favor. And I'm going to get some hot gallon jugs of water. I just pour them over this and melt the snow. Clear off their water sources for the morning. And I might just get rid of a little of that snow. Knock a little off their branches so that they got someplace to land. So I'm going to get after that, but I wanted to show you what happens here when it gets snowy and cold. I will be back later. Hope you're enjoying warm weather somewhere, or that you're prepared for the snow. Anyways, like and subscribe if you will, if you enjoy seeing this content, and let me know what else you want to see. In a little bit here, we'll photograph a whole bunch of birds. Talk to you later. Bye.